We already have a big mess this morning on the floor, but let's practice. What does the crow say?
Caw.
What does the lion say? What does the rooster say?
Kazoo.
What does the alligator say?
A snip.
What does the snake say?
Yes.
What does the bear say?
Wow.
What does the elephant say?
Trumpet. Trumpet.
What does the hyena say?
Ha 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 ha.
What does the cow say?
Moo moo. Oh no, this is tomato bucket.
Okay, what does the dog say?
Woof.
What does the dinosaur say?
Whoa whoa whoa.
What does the zombie say?
Woo woo woo.
What does the bear say?
Wow.
What does the wolf say?
Oh.
Oh, what does the who else? You know them all. What does the hippo say?
Quack quack quack.
What does the donkey say?
Hee-haw, hee-haw.
What does the horse say?
No, no.
What does the chicken say?
Quack, quack, quack.
Cluck, cluck, cluck. What does the fish say?
Quack, quack.
What does the frog say?
Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit.
What does the... Oh, you know so many of them. What does the... I can't even think of animals. The tiger say?
Roar.
Roar, roar. What does mommy say?
I love,
What does she say? What does mommy say?
I love you.
I love you. I love you. Yes, I do.
Tom.
Who is that in your hand? Who are you holding right here? What is this?
It's a meter.
Tomato. It's tomato. Yes, it is. It's your truck. All right. What does the cricket say? What do the crickets say?
It was my phone. After the quantity louder.
Yes, the crickets. They're singing the song, huh? Yes.
But it.
You want to push the button on the phone to play the crickets, don't you?
Okay.
Okay.
On the boat.
Okay, all right. Bye, everybody.